Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and I have been remiss getting this video out. I was contacted a while ago by Wildgrain. They're an artisan baking company in Boston that does subscription boxes for bakery. The first box I got came with 2 loaves of sourdough bread and 2 packs of noodles. You get 4 free croissants with every box. And then there was a olive oil ciabatta bread. So we tried the sourdough. It was yummy. And I made some chicken salad for the croissants, and they're beautiful croissants. And they bake very easily. It's freezer to table, 25 minutes. So basically what they do is they ship it frozen, and you just throw it in the freezer, and then when you want to bake it, I think it's $4.50 for 25 minutes, and you're ready for supper. Ours came really late at night, our box, so we had to quick get it into our freezer. And the packaging is pretty incredible. There's ice packs. There's a really thick kind of a honeycomb packaging that goes around the box, and then it's in a box within a box. The breads we've had are just wonderful and tasty. They support small business bakers, so all their bakers are just kind of local from Boston area. And for each membership that they get, they donate 6 meals to the Boston Food Bank. And you can choose 2 different kinds of boxes. One is a mix box, and that would be kind of what we got with the ciabatta bread and the sourdough and croissants and noodles. Or you can get a bakery box, which is breads and pastries. You can skip deliveries, and for the first box, I have a link down below that is $10 off your first box. And you can skip deliveries, you can have your membership for as long as you want, and I think it's a really cool thing. So I'm only going to be able to show you pictures because of my situation right now, just not feeling too hot, and sadly going to just have to do a real quick video like this, but the links are down below. Let me know what you think after you look through it, and thanks so much for watching, and thank you very much to Wildgrain. This was a really nice opportunity. I also have a link for a woman that got the box, and she goes through the unboxing, so you can see what that's like. See you later.